Playtex Diaper Genie Expressions Customizable Diaper by Diaper Genie is one of the best baby diaper pails products. Babies go through 600 diapers in 3 years. That's a ton of diapers, pun intended. You'll need a place to hold all those diapers without having to constantly run to the trash can. Don't look any further than the Diaper Genie Expressions Diaper Pail. Seal in odors with the push and lock clamp to keep your nursery and home smelling fresh. The easy-to-use one-handed design makes throwing away dirty diapers simple and convenient, while the durable 7-layer refill bags help lock in odors and germs. Style your diaper pail to fit the design of your nursery with the customizable designer fabric sleeves, sold separately. Being a mom brings new responsibilities, and stressing about diaper smells doesn't need to be one of them. Keep your nursery fresh, stylish and clean with the Playtex Diaper Genie Expressions. Easily controls odors. The double secure odor lock diaper disposal system with the push-in lock clamp helps prevent odors from escaping to keep your nursery smelling fresh and stink-free. Double duty odor defense, built durable. The diaper pail refill bags feature 7 layers that work together to lock in odors, messes and germs for the ultimate odor protection. Simple and convenient. Easy, one-handed design makes throwing out dirty diapers convenient by simply opening the push-button lid so you can perfect the balancing act of baby in one hand and diaper in the other. Make it your own. Customize your diaper pail with designer fabric sleeves, sold separately, or keep it white for a modern look. Your pail will look great and save you time running to the trash with the ability to hold up to 50 newborn diapers. Number 1 Diaper Pail Brand. Enjoy motherhood and don't worry about stinky diapers. You can keep your nursery smelling fresh with the innovative and customizable design of the Diaper Genie Expressions Pail.